everyone, and welcome again to our new episode of Learning Lounge by My Learning Venue. Now, we are going to talk about the thing that highlights every school year of every student in the world, not just here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Exams. Ito yung pinakamahirap. Isa sa pinakamahirap, yet challenging and fulfilling at the same time, di ba?
Yes.
Because ikaw, gikan man punta, estudyante punta, though lisod the process, kay mag-study, magtuon pa man kita, yet if we can answer, and if we know the answer, it's very fulfilling yun na matubag
Yes.
nato siya. That's exam. Now, we are going to talk with Ma'am Eva.
Hi.
She is our teacher here in My Learning Venue, and she is now a licensed professional teacher. We will going to ask her kung saan niya pagbuhat sa mga exams, what are the things that gina-include niya to make the exams, unsa pud ang gina-consider niya sa exam, and then how were she able to apply the lessons and then reflect it sa mga exams. Are you
Yes.
ready for the question? What questions now? I think she is
Yes.
very ready because i-answer man gyapon na niya based on her experience
Yes.
as teacher. Because now we will not invite her if ever wala siya experience ani, but I know that she's a perfect fit for this topic. That's why she's here, and we wanted to know the experiences and some understanding and lessons that we need to know during or making an exam. Disclaimer that each of the teachers has their own ways
Yes.
on making their exams.
Yes.
But we will ask one teacher here kung saan niyo pagbuhat sa exam. So that parents who's looking or watching this will have an idea on how to teach their children in the preparation for their examination. So, Ma'am Eva, are you ready? I prepared questions here, and you can speak in any language that you want.
Yes.
Except kung hindi na mo masabtan mo mo, basig mo Chinese ka din. But you can speak in Bisaya, Filipino, English, kung unsa ka confident, and then kung unsa ka comfortable in
Yes.
speaking. Because we are not here to speak unsa bigit ang gusto, we are here to understand.
Yes.
We are here to indulge into a creative and meaningful conversation here, Ma'am Eva.
Yeah.
Now, as a teacher, Ma'am Eva, I know that ikaw isa pud sa gabuhat o gabuhat sa mga exams sa
Yes.
students.
Yes.
Questions. Lisod ka magpa-exam, ma'am? Lisod ba gid ang exam nimo?
Actually, yes. Naa siya some of lang nga
Difficulties.
mga difficulties. But besides sa na po easier one, which is multiple choice.
Yeah.
Depende po na siya sa level sa bata. Kailangan po nato
Mhm.
mahibalaan. So, for me, kung maghatag kog difficulty, kailangan gud siya is time constraints gud siya dapat, which
Yes.
is ma-fit lang siya in just like pila ra ka minutes or just 1 hour. Kay ang bata manggod is dili bitaw gid kaayo nga like 3 hours mag-solving. So, dapat maka-adjust po ang
Ma-overwhelm
teachers.
pud ang
Oo.
bata.
Dapat maka-adjust po ang mga students when it comes answering the exams. So, dapat nagig kay basihan. Nakoy baseline, ana.
Side bit lang to na questions. Side bit questions. And now, here's the proper question.
Oy.
Let's go back. Can you tell us a little about yourself and your teaching background, Ma'am Eva? Your teaching and a little bit background for yourself.
Okay, so my name is teacher Evanessa L. Ayosep. You can call me Mom Ebs for short. And I'm currently teaching here in the My Learning Venue for almost 2 years na. Not just 2 years, it's 2 years na. And then 2 years and 1 month. So,
Oh.
teach ko diri at sa mga teachers here sa My Learning Venue. And also you can see me there in the front also, front desk nga narapo ko dadto for
Mhm.
the inquiries, and then sa mga parents po di makater sa ilaha.
How about your teaching background, ma'am? Like as a student, as a student teacher,
Mhm.
then as a teacher na gyud.
Yes, I have student teachers man last We got dugay na kayo to. It's the year 2019, and then
Wow.
so I'm currently here. Also, I'm a teacher, a licensed teacher na for 7 months na sa DepEd.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations.
So I'm a math teachers, grade 7 to grade 10 in the public schools.
Oh, math masad ka na.
What?
When we
Yes.
talk about Mamang Luya, good ka, oy. Pero we try to love, we try to convince ourselves that math is not our enemy.
Yes. Dili gyud siya.
Math loves me, but I don't love Chalma. Now, Ma'am Eva, when you were still a student, since
Yes.
I know, lagi man kita pagka-estudyante,
Yes. Then,
what kind of exam challenged you the most?
The exams that challenge me the most is just like the difficult ones where the solving problem is.
Math, good job.
Yes, the proving, and then
Oh.
actually way back in my college years as a student. So my teachers gave me 2 questions only, and that's a solving problems, and then that's proving. Then it's a very
That
challenge.
was college, ma'am?
Yes, it
Oh,
was
okay.
in college. So very challenging kay siya kay no, taas man day ang process on solving. Taas day ang process, although it's 1 questions and 2 questions. It's just like only for 1 hour. But taas man di ay siya ang iyahang proving. So very challenging kayo. Dili na ako mahuman, just 1 hour lang ang 2 questions. Kay, yes, so murag kon gid siya.
Oh.
Difficult siya sa kuha ha. I don't know when the advanced students wala ko'y problema sa ilaha kay ilaha man gyud nang kon, ilaha man gyud nang kanang ilaha gyud nang skills o ilaha gyud nang gift, but for me dira to sa medyo kan lang average nga students ning kamot lang gyud ta pagtuon. Dira pag yun is I thought the exams in my college days is just like a multiple choice all in all. So napankay ko ko dadto nga mga nasipit ko dadto sa mga the format of our exams, and then chill lang for the tuon and then the process. But when times exam na gyud, kung exams na siya, solving all the solving all, and then kulang pag yun ang isa ka one whole nga yellow sheet of papers sa one questions lang. So,
I thought, Ma'am Eva, that your difficulties is not math.
it's math.
Then you're teaching math.
Yes, it's math.
So you're teaching the hardest subject that you had before.
Yes.
So how does it feel that you yourself, you find math hard when you were still a student? I think na hangtod bang karon ka lisod gyapon ta og math. Pero we keep on learning.
Yes, we keep on learning
Yes.
every day.
How are we able to love math, but you find it hard in the first place?
Actually, it's adjustment lang yun siya. And then, adjustment lang yun sa all in all kay when times manggod sa solving problems, manggod to siya in math. Actually, in math to siya. So, makuha din nimo ang process ato. Makuha nimo ang process, you can go back to the original questions. Unsa gyud ang gipangayo, and then that is why ma-practice nimo ang imong mga problems skills, mga solving problem skills. So, makuha gid nimo siya when in times na nga porsigido ra pud ka, porsigido ka makuha to siya, and then wala po imposible basta magtuon.
Katong student pug ka, ma'am, kung kabalo na gid ka nating exam na, pila ka weeks or pila ka days mag-prepare, mag-study gid ka para equipped and prepared ka sa imong exam?
Actually, as a scholar man ko in our schools as a students, prepare gid me ahead of 1 week na siya. We have intelligent ate. Actually, I'm gonna share this one. We have intelligent ate. Hi, Ate Ivane, if you're watching this.
Hi, ate, patudlo og math.
If you're watching this, dito may mangadto sa iyang balay, dito may mag-overtime, dito may magtuon, and then she is our teacher. she's our teachers in
She's really good in teaching.
yes, she's really good in teaching and in Samua tanan. And then daghan mi nga mga students niya.
Ooh.
Actually kay student siya as well as teacher siya sa balay. And then dito mi magtapos sa ilaha sa balay where kami nga dito mi magtuon whole night gyud.
That's good. Very nice of her na she's giving her or sharing her thoughts and ideas in yung nga student gihapon, ma'am.
Yes.
Since got struggle man gyapon, not everyone, but there are some students who've been struggling sa math gyud.
Yes.
But that's nice of her na to give siya time gyapon sa inyo.
Yes, I'm truly appreciate Ate Ivane for that. And then daghan man pud ang yang na make way kay when times manggod dili siya gusto cheating. Di siya gusto cheating for the exam. So, gusto ka maning kamot if you have good grades. If you want good grades, then you can learn from it. You can learn, you can study. I know you can do it.
How will we learn if we keep on cheating?
Yes, if you keep on cheating, so...
We are not learning if we're cheating.
Yes, true, sir. As in, pagka dito ko na motivate sa iyang giingon nga she really hate cheating, so that is why naningkamot me to study well sa ilahang balay. And then of course bala maguot mi silang balay.
Yeah.
Dami dadto for the sharing her thoughts and then my thoughts also nga pag brainstorming. Actually,
yeah, trauma again, ma'am, because cheating is not learning.
yes, true.
Though you passed the exam, but you did not learn the topics. You just passed,
Yes.
but ang value nimo, hang self nimo that you know you didn't learn from it.
Yes.
That's a good thing that you have outlet pod as a student before
Yes.
na mutudlo good in preparation for your exam.
Yes.
So, let's go back sa word nga exam. Ma'am. So we already talked about the preparation as a student.
Yes.
Now, we will know the preparation na as a teacher na kay dili naman student ang mag-prepare sa exam.
Yes.
Ang first good mag-prepare ana kay si teacher.
Teacher.
Si teacher good ang
Si
mag-prepare.
teacher.
Months before your examination, everybody mag-prepare na gid si teacher ana,
Yes.
magkuha na siya unsay dapat i-solve, and then mag-prepare pa gid siya sa lessons na dapat ninyo i-review
Yes.
in order for you to pass your upcoming examination. And we will know the preparation of the teacher. Kaya kung kamo students na ang preparation, the teacher also have their own preparations. Ma'am Eva has her unique way of preparing her exam, and we will know it this time. Question, Ma'am Eva, how do you decide as a teacher of what topics or lesson to include in an exam?
Of course, if I'm gonna include the topics in my exams, of course, imo gyud una buhaton is the objectives. Learning objectives dapat ma-target na siya sa students and also for the teachers. Okay, namin may lessons plan for that. And then, kailangan po siya is, what's this? Kanang mga, of course, the topics, and then, the concepts. Nagit siya mga concepts, and of course, the balance. Dapat balance siya sa mga decides, examples, na kay multiple choice, okay? In making exams, dapat include po siya sa mga identifications. Yes, for that is, mag-start gid ka always sa, namin easy one, so that the students is, dili bit, oh my God, solving na lagi ni tanan. Okay, so
easy, moderate, and hard.
Easy, moderate, and then hard. Yes. Actually, I give 60% of the easy one. And then,
wow, amazing.
Yes.
Very generous. Sana si Teacher Eva na lang yung
30% for the moderate, and then 10% only for the difficult. Yes, that is fun. Effective siya when it comes sa ACADS for the students.
For the difficult one, you just have to assess the students if nakuha ba gid nila even though the topics is hard. And then for the moderate one, you assess them if they got the whole lesson.
Yes.
And the easy one, you
Right.
will assess if nagi wala kasabot sa imo. Kay kung naagya po yung na-fail sa imo easy, that means na kung naay ma-fail sa imong exam, that doesn't always mean na you are not effective teacher.
Yes.
If naay na-fail sa imong exam, na students na wala Japon jud kasabot sa imong lessons,
Yes.
it doesn't mean na na-fail na ka as teacher, nang nanay na-fail na exam ha sa imong student. But kung naay na-fail, meaning na naapod siya, wala siguro na sabtan. And as a teacher, you need to know and assess na kung unsa pa gyud kailangan niya.
Kailangan niya.
Yes.
Yes. True.
Okay, last episode, di ba? We talk about the things na si ma'am, kung dili makasabot iyang students, iyang ipa-remedial.
Yes,
Tama ba to?
remedial. Yes.
Kung ipa-remedial niya, so kung karon, kung kabalo si ma'am na si student is gamay yung score sa exam, ipa-remedial nimo siya or ipa-question nimo siya.
Balik.
Unsa naging hard ani sa imo? Unsay lisuran nimo? And then thorough explanation hangtod na mag-get ni student ang goal yun niya to. Okay, our goal is for them to understand. Our goal is for them to nourish their capability and skills as students. Ma'am. And sa pagbuhat po na to, pag-prepare po na tong exam po, Ma'am Eva, it doesn't only imply sa mga lesson. Dapat po, lesson din ang teacher. Yun
yes.
Dapat.
Kaya
dili mo ta makamake og exam if walay lesson.
Yes,
kasi student, kailangan makasabot pa mong gid siya, ayat na magbuhat og exam. What's the essence of exam kung wala na ta? So, kung magpa-exam ka without the session, assessment ang tawag ara, di ba?
Murag.
Oo, mag-assess lang ka, mag-assess lang ka. Pero if ever nag-lesson na ka, nag-review na pagdid ka, tapos magpa-exam ka, tawag na, test na gid na. For you to prove na nakasabot
ang students.
Or wala pa. And for our next question, Ma'am Eva, what's the process of balancing easy, moderate, and difficult question? I know that you already told us that the percentage of the easy is how 60%?
60%
the
the
30% is a moderate one, and the difficult one is 10%.
Yes.
How do you decide to balance these three levels of difficulties in your exam?
Actually, I'm making the TOS, the table of specification. I think TOS tawag ada. I don't think so that's the S, but it's specializations or specifications.
Specification.
I think that is the meaning of TOS. But makuha na siya when it comes naapog ko yung mga questions po like una po sa Bloom's taxonomy, which is the remembering, so definitions first, asking them questions. Okay, so what is puro mga what, the definitions, and then the formula. So whether nga wala pa nila na memorize. Actually, ginabuhat na ako when at times comes na sa exams is just like mag-put sila sa index cards about the formula. Sa una, memorize na to na, but karon is ginabuhat na nato is as a teachers to support them also is mag-put sila sa index card where the formula is lang.
Okay, so they did no, dili na sila need mag-memorize.
Dili na mag-memorize.
They're just going to put the formulas in one index card, and then they will use or they will bring that formula silang exam.
Yes.
Possible na siya karon, ma'am.
Yes, it's possible karon.
Because in our time, we need to
memorize. Yes.
We need to memorize all the formulas, and I was crying. I find myself crying. Good kay. Memorization is not for me. Math is not for me. Then combine pag ang memorization ug ang math.
Yes.
Double kill. However, karon I was amazed. I've learned something from you, Day, ha? That nowadays, possible na din siya sa student na mag-bring sila index card, but the formulas only.
Yes. So times, and then sa amo as a teacher, as ako ha, I allowed my students also to use a calculator.
But there are teacher po na dili sila.
Na teachers nga dili allowed. But
that's okay.
The common mongod is just like mga hard na nga mga math, like the tangents, na mga tangents, like scientific calculator can solve that one. Even though makakasolve man gihapon when mano-mano, but kung maka-help man pod sa ila kung na calculators, mawara man pod na ang ilahang i-bring pod during the exams, but no cell phones allowed.
Yeah.
No cell phones allowed, only the calculator and then the index card. Depende po na sa teachers. And then, when it comes po siya, dapat time manageable po siya when making ang exams. Dili siya just maghimo kag exams, dili dapat ilong nimo just for 2 hours.
Oh.
Kay gitahatag sa imo for exam is just like 1 hour.
Then, ang attention span po sa imong student, ma'am, no?
Yes, oo.
So, ma-overwhelm sila sa mga information if daghan kay question sa ila.
Daghan.
Unlike siguro if board exam. Lahi naman na
Wala na
topic.
siya nga level.
Pero sa student pag yun, like especially high school, elementary, their attention span and their capability of memorizing and
Yes.
then absorbing information, lahi ba doon sa bata pa,
Mm-mm.
nako na. So, ato po siguro sabton po na
Yes.
bata pa sila, di ba? Or
Mm-mm.
kanang gag-grow pa sila. Then, though naagya po yung difficulties,
Naa.
pwede rin gid lisod gid kaayo.
Actually,
Kailangan iingon pwede mo sa imong self na kaya sa imong estudyante. Aya ka magpa-answer.
making an exam is also a difficult one. First, Anna, is after my draft exams, di pa na ako na siya i-print out, but I'm reviewing my exams sa students. So, ako na siya gipa-review sa ilaha, whether nga nakuha ba nila. And then, when it comes na po sa solving problems, manggod, if the students can make it, so if they're very difficult for them, then I'm gonna change it. I-change na ko siya when it comes nga kanang capability lang nila. Dapat
so
ma-solve niya.
generous speaker ka na teacher. Ma'am.
Mukha nila siya, capability lang nila when it comes to, Mom, lisod kay Mom. So, buhat man taas sa
That's
draft.
important po the hearing the concerns of your students.
Yes, kailangan good siya. When it comes to good, kailangan magutag the feedback also for the
Yes.
students. Ma'am, lisod kay Ma'am. Dili
Because
makaya
there
sa
are
1 hour.
teachers who doesn't care about the feelings of their students. That's okay. That's their own way of teaching. However, in your own teaching style with ma'am, you understand and you hear the concerns of your students
Yes.
before ka magpa-exam sa ila.
Oo, yes. Actually,
How does it help you as a teacher, ma'am? Hearing their concern.
kuan siya, it's very comfortable po siya when it comes ang students is ma-open up po siya when it comes sa ilang exams nga dili gid kila na makaya.
Mhm.
Maka-proud po siya kay dili gid sila mo hesitate to ilahang thoughts and then sa ilahang pag-answer sa
Mhm.
questions kay ang for me manggod as a math teachers gusto lang na ako makabalo sila sa process. Kabalo sila sa process when it comes solving. Kay ma'am kani ang step by steps inani. So maka-proud kayo kay kabalo sila sa until makabuhat lang sila. Maka-end sila sa sa answers. So proud kay ko na when it comes nga naay na si Pet pero gina-encourage gina ko ang bata mag-answer sa solving problems nga be careful sa numbers kay 1 is not equal to 2. If mali ka ana, so mali ang tanan because that's
Isa lang
numbers.
sayop sa
Whether nga point
solutions,
na
diba?
siya, whether nga point na siya, it's very good siya. Kanang accurate dapat yun ang imong pag-solve kay mamali gid ka kung mag-solve ka nga careless.
Sa una, mag-exam ko. After the exam, my classmates will discuss their answer. Nila ako answer, no? Layo naman kaya akong answer sa ilaha. Ilo answer kay 7 or 6. Nag-away sa 7 or 6. Ako answer kay 2,000.
Diba? Naa siya magbaging-baging sila hala. Unsay mga answer?
Ano sila sa board? Hindi ko na, Lagi akong formula to. Dahil siguro ako formula.
You have your own formula, sir?
Oo. Formula ng mali. But, so, learn magyapon ko og love sa math. Until now, I'm still learning to love math. Pero, you're talking about general preparation of exams, diba? Then, next question, how do you make sure, ma'am, that exam tests both memorization and thinking, critical thinking? Or how do you make sure that exam tests both memorization and critical thinking?
Critical thinking, okay. So, I'm gonna incorporate different questions, sir. So, the first one is you're gonna recalling that's just memorizations. So where's the Bloom's taxonomy is applied for na. I'm considering the level 3 the lower order thinking skills. So dapat apply gyud to sa students, labi na sa mga definitions of the terms,
Yes,
kailangan
definition
gyud
of
na siya
terms.
like examples, what is that, what is algebra, what is quadratic equations,
What
have ganyan
formula
formula,
is this?
yes, what formula, have you defined that, inana nga mga questions like remembering. The second level is
Memorize.
basta memorizing mga inana nga lower order thinking skills, and applying for that when makita nimo ang progress dito na dayon ma-come up si higher order thinking skills, mapasok, ma-apply. May example, how we gonna solve that one, the asking how and why questions. So masulod si critical thinking. Okay, how do you solve that one? How are you able to solve the problems? How will you come up that answers in ang mga questions? So makakuha ng bata, makaisip, habitaw no?
Realization at the same time, questioning if tama ba yung ilang answer.
Oh, yes.
Proving, diba?
Proving. Makuha na ginilahang, ma-apply gid ang ilang pagka applications ato, ma-apply nila ang ilang pagka-creative.
Yes,
creative. Nakuha din ako. There's so many way manggod.
Math and other subjects doesn't only imply solutions and problems. It also implies creative thinking.
Yes, creative thinking. Actually, there are so many ways to solve it. The problems. Why not nga mag-open up for that? And then, naamang ko gina-process ang mga bata. Like, sa books nila dapat sundon. But when it comes nga naapoy one ng bata, it's just like, na sila own skillful solving. So, why not we gonna incorporate that one, and then mangutan na ka how they come up that answers.
Yes.
And then they have their own solutions. Yes, teacher, I'm gonna do this like this.
To prove pod, if ever pod, na masabtan ba nila or wala.
Yes, but pag ingon ako, nami ginasolnod. And then that's one of the process. But that other students, if advanced nga students.
Do you have students, gapon, ma'am, that they are good in solving problems, but in terms of proving sa ilahang answer, maglisod sila?
Yes, maglisod sila. Example, how will you come up that answer? Mga questions na ay, amot lang baboy, na mga tuba.
Pero makasubay gid sila sa...
Kasubay sila. Actually, makasubay sila.
Lahi-lahi gid ang strength.
Lahi-lahi ang strength sa bata. So, why not, mao na akong ginabase sa ilaha nga dapat align lang po dapat yun ang imuhang capabilities pag make data exams. Kay dili dapat imo ipahay nga standards nga parehas sa mag-utok sa bata. It's not about that one. Imuha silang ginapa-move ang ilahang mind kung unsa sila mag-decide, unsa sila mag-solve. Mao na ang imong target sa bata. Dili nga parehas sa imong utok. So that is
dili dapat i-compare ang
utok ni mo. Yes.
Utok ni teacher ug utok ni student.
Dili
dapat siya i-compare.
Dili compare.
And we should not also compare the utok sa isa ka estudyante to another student. Mas bright ba naging si student A kaysa student B? Kaya lahi man sila capability.
Yes,
lahi
true.
Sila of strength, lahi sila weakness, lahi gid ang bata. Lahi gid ang bata. All of the kids are intelligent in their own ways.
Yes, true. Dili man gud ta dapat mag-compare pag sa ilaha, and then why not if that student B have difficult one, why not you can an extra hour for that, pwede ka mag like remedial or nasabay mong buhaton. Dapat ikaw pod mismo as a teachers know them sa ilang mga kakulangon kung naapa pa sila kailangan pangatunan para maka-get sila sa imong mga topics.
Now, so Ma'am Eva, can you share an example of how you design? Diba? We are making our own exams, man.
Yes.
Examination. Can you give us an example of how do you design or construct your test questions to measure the deeper understanding of your students?
Okay, so as mentioned earlier, I have given my students 60% of easy ones, so that is called multiple choice. 60% of that where the definitions is involved na diha na tanan, and then ang mga topics also in college, the coverage one, kailangan dapat katong aside from ato manggod nga maghimo og exams, you're gonna post or gonna mention them nga about the coverage of the exam so that align pod ilang pagtuon, dili sila mo balhin sa laing.
Magkatibulaag.
Yes, True. Kailangan ka maghatag og pointers. As a teachers, we need also give pointers of the students. Labi na kung ting exams. Kay dili pud sila dapat pud
Important gid ang pointers.
yes,
ma'am, eh.
pointers is very labi na karon nga if ever the students kapuya na siya for the pag-reviewing, you can use the AI tools. Labi na daghan kay karon. Labi na mga
And also, especially that
Mhm.
we are in a learning center, di ba, ma'am? We have to get the curriculum from the school with the students
Yes.
kay para ma-apply po nato ang pagtudlo nato sa ilaha.
mm-mm.
Like po si school A, kailangan nato kwaon ng pointers ani. Kay dili man ta mo get og
Yes,
pointers sa other
true.
school. Kay
Yes.
para bahala the same sila gear level pero kung different sila og school, lahi gid na sila og pointers.
Yes, true.
That is why teacher, if you will going to conduct exams sa imong student, make sure that you give them pointers ahead of time.
Ahead of time, true.
Dili kay maghatag og pointers gabi na tas ugma exam na.
Yes. Maluoy pud mo.
Maluoy pud sa tong students. As much as possible, we give pointers to students. How pila ka weeks imong gina-give ma? 2 weeks or 1 week before the exam?
Actually, it's 2 weeks.
Oh.
Gina-announce na mo ang exam days ahead of time. Like, it's July pa, and then
Yes,
the
because-
exams is like August 20, so July pa to siya nga month. So that is why ang mga
prepare na gid sa
prepare ang students and then also the teachers. Kay not only the ACADS, manapa ba sila yung mga extracurricular
Yes, oo.
activities so that they can balance also by helping of the, at least makahelp po ta sa students as
Oo,
well.
mabalance po nila
Oo.
lang time because as a student, the life of a student, naman po sila yung life outside being a student.
Yes,
Naman po
true.
sila yung life for the family, life as a kid, and life as a student. Diba?
Yes.
Sila lahi man ta. So, dili naman kita adults, teachers, ang ga-balance atong time.
Ah,
Ga-balance yapon sila students. Though, responsibilities, mas more than responsibilities sa ilaha, but we need to also know that they're still humans.
yes.
Ga-learn pagyapon sila. That's why
Ah.
important yun sa ilaha gyapon to be equipped and prepare po sa ilang upcoming na exam.
Actually, sir, nag-one week about summative test. So, it come up with the coverage na siya sa sa topics.
Mm-mm.
So, summative tests. Katura nga mong ipa-exam sa ilaha. And then, the real exams is just like October, it's August 20. So, mao to nga.
How was the summative test naman?
Ano, summative test is himuot ko sir kay ganun dako ilang summative test pag-abot
Yes.
sa exams is gamay. So that is why
Dako ilang summative,
yes.
however sa exam.
Nagamay ilang exam. So how come
Okay,
Diba?
that's the pod na makita pod nimo, avenue pod nimo to assess
assess
asa gid
yes.
sila na
Mm-mm.
bikilan.
also
student.
60% about the multiple choice, moderately is 30% that true or false, and
As a
then
teacher, ma'am, pila gid ka points imong exam? Is it 50 points, 40 points?
it's 50 points all in all.
Okay.
So kana siya gibahin-bahin ako siya just like 1 to 30 and then 30 to 40 and then 40 to 10 ay 40 to 50. So makuha gid na siya when it comes man pod our exams it's unified and also makita na ko ang exams and then gina-get na ko ang difficult one where same gyapon ang content and then be contextualized. Kailangan siya hindi mo i-adjust sa students capability na po nila para maka-answer to siya nga questions but the same content. Okay, so easier one lang siya. Okay, so mao gina ang kailangan po sa teachers nga maka-adjust po ta sa ilang mga exams.
Okay, so we already know the process ni Ma'am Eva. Because dili nato gina-generalize ang process ni Ma'am Eva sa tanang teachers because
Yes.
lahi man sila og kanang way of doing their exam.
Yes.
Then at least we know the advice and the experience from a teacher. Then you will incorporate that to your study style sa inyong student, sa inyong children kung sa inyong balay. Before we proceed to our next question, Ma'am Eva, we will have a game for us to assess our intelligence, our katalinuhan. Speaking of katalinuhan, do you know that MYLB is now partnered with ProMill, ma'am. So if you buy participating products of ProMill, you'll have 2 free sessions here in the center and 1 free assessment. So don't forget to nourish the mind of your child with ProMill in partner with MYLB. What are you waiting for? Buy and avail the sessions with us.
Yes.
Now, are you ready for the game, Ma'am Eva?
Yes.
First word is no. 3, 2, 1, go.
Flake.
Time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Apple.
Butter. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shrimp.
Water. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lemon.
Book. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bird.
Fire. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ball.
Honey. 3, 2, 1, go.
Butter.
Light. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bomb.
Head. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shoulder.
Feet. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yangos sige ko, Ma'am Eva, sa atong dula.
Ang gusto ko
Meaning,
purple.
gihangos tanag, enjoy ta sa atong dula.
Yes.
I hope everybody enjoyed our game. I hope makakatawa sa mo kay simple words but wala gyapon na-coincide among ko. So, correct
Na-pressure.
lang atong word. Na-pressure gyud ta, Ma'am, no? Pero at least at the end,
Yes.
nakabawi ra gyud ta. 4 out of 10 is not bad. And now, we will continue the question and answer portion. We will ask Ma'am Eva, and we are down to our last question, everybody. So give ourselves a big round of applause for listening hangtod diri sa atong end sa ato ang podcast. Kay if na pa mo diri, meaning you are supporting us and you love you hear from us, di ba, Ma'am Eva? Now, last question, Ma'am Eva. Di ba we already talked about the process of you making the exam,
Yes.
the process of you teaching,
Mm-mm.
and what are the considerations that you consider in making your exam?
Yes.
Now, the question is, what are the advices that you could give to your students, not just to your student, but also to the students who are watching us, about understanding how this exam is structured, or meaning how the exam is made,
Mm-mm.
and what are their preparations, or ano yung dapat nilang i-prepare
Mm-mm.
to have more effective study bitaw mas effective ilang pag-study
Study habit.
sa ilaha na yung pag-exam mas effective ilang pag-answer. What are your advices, Ma'am Eva?
Okay, to prepare effectively sa mga mag-take og exams sa mga students. So, first is to know or understand the key concepts of the exams. Okay, di ba makuha niyo yung mga pointers and then ask for the pointers or coverage from your teachers, and then before that, kailangan pa ninyo mahibalaan also ang the exam format, di ba? Kailangan din na mahibalaan unsay format sa exams.
Yes.
Teachers, so once I'm on teachers ang format, it's all multiple choice teachers, all definitions there, or enumerations ba, or solving lang tanan teachers.
Para nanay expectations.
Yes,
Yeah, si
students. O, kabalo siya kung asa siya mag-con, like, kailangan i-define, basin i-define ni teachers, ay nani nga mga particular nga questions. And then, analyze also. Analyze the format. Kailangan yung analyze the students of format. And then, we could have so many AI tools for today, diba, generations. You can use that
Utilize
one.
that one.
Yes, utilize that
But
one.
do not depend.
Yes, do not depend on that. But when it comes na sa una sa mo, it's just like taking down notes. You can use the AI now for the isan lang nimo dadto, and then they can give you all the notes. And then also the possible questions nga iyang mag-give nga mga nga topics. So daghan kay mga ways. Daghan kay mga ways to prepare your exams.
Yes.
And then para magtuon. And then for the most good siya is labi na kung na may difficulty in math subject, not just like only math, but kung na kay math is just like you can solve the, diba na may mga books, and then there's so many mga sources, you can solve that one by your own. Okay, you can solve that one, depende, and then you can look for the answers. Okay, asa ko na mali? You can go back, okay, maka-go back ka ato sa imuhang solutions. Kailangan gid mo ma-practice imuhang po kanang
Okay.
imuhang problem solving skills.
Yes, if I could go give advice to the student also, please prepare ahead of time. Do not
Yes.
believe in cramming, since
Yes,
there are
true.
people who might say that effective ang cramming, but I might as well dili sa imo effective ang cramming. So you need to
Yes.
prepare yourself and do not go to exam unprepared.
Yes, true.
Do not take the exam unprepared. You need to be
Yes.
prepared, because that's how your teacher will assess or know that nakasabot ba yun ta or
Yes,
wala.
true.
And also, it's our way of showing effort po sa atong self, because nagskwela man ta, kung dili kita kasabot, tell your teacher na, well, teacher, dili ko
Yes,
kasabot,
true.
dili ko kanang
Mm.
dili ko prepare sa exam. Pwede ko nimo i-teach a teacher, or pwede ko
Pwede
nimo
ra.
like, teachers are really open in that conversation, especially when it terms to education, when it
Mm.
terms to understanding sa mga students. Wala gid na sige gud problema gyud
Mm.
kung mahayog tabang ang bata,
Yes,
because
true.
that's their work, that's our work as teacher, nga matabang gyud kung sa difficulties sa bata.
Yes.
And for the kid would also nga excuse me, for the kid also nga ga-take sa ilang examination next week, next month, we need to know the topics, pointers na ihatag di teacher, para dili bitaw mag-study ka og certain things that dili naman di needed
Nag-include, oo.
or dili na needed sa exam, so that you can focus on the things that it is things that is important sa inyong exam. Kay kung mag-study ka ani, tapos mas nag-give nimo time og study ang dili unta important,
Yes,
or sa
true.
dili kayo needed sa exam, give na to importance kung unsa gyud ang angay mo gawas
Gawas,
sa atong
exams,
examination.
oo.
And also prepare, and also ask yourself what are the possible questions, as what
Yes.
Ma'am Eva said, that what are the possible questions that the exam or the examiner or the teacher will give on certain topics.
Yes.
And also, in preparing for the structured exam, know your teacher very well. Nga, kung example, sa ani na semester or ani na term, yan ang magpa-exam si teacher. So, might as well expect pod next nimo na exam nga basin di ni ani gyapon ang
Yes.
process, kay lahi man si teacher og way on giving their examination.
Yes, true.
So for parents, look for, if you don't have much time to review sa inyong inyong kid, you can enroll your kid pod sa mga trusted center.
Yes, tutorial center.
Tutorial center, especially in My Learning Venue
Yes.
International Learning Center. We cater tutorials,
Tutorial services.
tutorial services. We cater enrichment to enrich the capability and
Yes,
skills of
true.
your children na wala pa sa school. And also, if you want your kid to be prepared in their examinations, we cater that one, and we
Yes.
teach children and varieties of subject here.
Yes,
So
not only for the exam, sir. It's
Yes.
for the PT also.
the performance tasks, the quizzes, if your kid or if your child wants or needs a more thorough good nga explanation sa teacher,
Yes.
we can support your child's growth here in My Learning Venue. I hope that you will still continue. We'll continue in our next episode. I hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.